Application. According to Sun, 3 billion devices run Java. There are many devices where Java is currently used. Some of them are as follows. Desktop applications such as Acrobat Reader, Media Player, Antivirus, etc. Web applications such as irc.co.in, javapoint.com, etc. Enterprise applications such as banking applications. Mobile. Embedded system. Smart card. Robotics. Games, etc. Types of Java applications. There are mainly 4 types of applications that can be created using Java programming. 1. Standalone application. Standalone applications are also known as desktop applications or window-based applications. These are traditional software that we need to install on every machine. Examples of standalone application are Media Player, Antivirus, etc. Odd and swing are used in Java for creating standalone applications. 2. Web application. An application that runs on the server side and creates a dynamic page is called a web application. Currently, Servlet, JSP, Struts, Spring, Hibernate, JSF, etc. Technologies are used for creating web applications in Java. 3. Enterprise application. An application that is distributed in nature, such as banking applications, etc. is called an enterprise application. It has advantages like high-level security, load balancing, and clustering. In Java, IJB is used for creating enterprise applications. 4. Mobile application. An application which is created for mobile devices is called a mobile application. Currently, Android and JavaMe are used for creating mobile applications.